everybody. I am here at my apartment in El Salvador, but I'm getting ready to leave for Ohio in this video to visit my friends Carlos and Shannon. If you've been following my channel for a while, you may have noticed that Carlos and Shannon haven't been in any videos for several months, and that is because they recently moved to Ohio from El Salvador. So today, I'm going to be going to visit them and spending a weekend with them. Our mission is to find the best waterfall in Ohio. Obviously, we don't have enough time to visit every single waterfall, so I did a Google search and compiled a master list of all of the first page results for best waterfalls in Ohio. If you want to save yourself the time and effort, I've left a link in the description of this video for a good hiking guide that can give you a lot of this information without having to compile it all yourself. To cut to the chase, what we found was that 7 of the waterfalls that came up on those first page results were either in Cuyahoga Valley National Park or Hocking Hills State Park, including the top 2 waterfalls on the list. So we're going to be heading to those places this weekend and on a mission to find the best waterfall in Ohio. I'll see you on the other side.
Here at Blue Hen Falls. This one's definitely not as impressive, the waterfall itself, as Brandywine, but the atmosphere here is way better because, as you can see, all to ourselves. All right, we have made it to the final waterfall of the day. This is Buttermilk Falls. As you can see, it is super impressive as well. 3 gate waterfalls, all in one day, in one awesome national park. Here we go. Good morning, everybody. Today is day number 2 and we are at Hocking Hills State Parks. We got some waterfalls, some caves, some trails coming up, so stick around and we're gonna check it out. All right, we are not quite done exploring the park here, but it is starting to rain, unfortunately, so we may have to cut this short. However, we did get to see the majority of what we were hoping to see, and I gotta say, it's hard to say just one waterfall, what was the best waterfall, but definitely Hickory Hills is the better park. If you're in Ohio, check it out, you'll have a great time. We still got one more surprise before the video ends. All right, one final thing. We've been having a debate for years now on what is the best pizza, Ohio pizza or New Jersey pizza. And so we have come today to the world famous Donato's. I don't know how famous they are, we're gonna find out. This is the official taste test. Jersey. Jersey's got the best pizza. Like and subscribe. See you guys next time.